yeah.
Alrighty, so we're out here, just finished rigging up for the Gambler free kayak tournament tomorrow out on the Kissimmee Chain. Got the batteries charging, boat's ready, a little dirty. I think I'm gonna head out to Lake Jackson. Been going out there a good bit, catching some fish. Not really using Gambler baits, but I think I can get them. I'm hoping I could get on some 5 good ones. But yeah, I'm gonna just walk y'all through kind of what I'm gonna be throwing tomorrow. So, starting off here, we got a Gambler swim jig with a little white swim bait on the back of it. I was catching them good on a chatterbait, a white chatterbait, so I'm hoping that'll kind of draw the same strike. We got 2 big easies. We got one on an underspin right here, and then this one I'll be running on top water. This is my favorite go-to bait here in Florida. A good old Gambler Big Easy, running on top water, heavy braid, heavy rod. Next we got the old burner worm, speed worm type style. If you're in Florida, you really can't beat that. I mean, that's one of the best baits in Florida, truly. Then we got the Gambler frog. I'm excited to throw that a little bit. I just got that. Cut the tails a little shorter than I'd like to, but we'll make her work. Next up, one of my favorite punching baits, BB Cricket, on an ounce, maybe an ounce and a quarter weight. I'm not exactly sure. For the kayak, the Bassmaster Kayak series down a couple months ago, I caught a bunch of good ones punching that guy right there. Then next we got 3 different types of fat aces. Texas rigged with a little weight. That'll be my flipping in the pads kind of deal. 60-pound braid on that. 7/6 medium heavy rod. We got a weightless Texas rig fat ace. You can't go wrong with that. And of course, the wacky rig, if you can see it. So yeah, we got 3 different types of Senkos, pretty much. Speed worm essentially, and 2 types of big easies. I'm hoping that swim jig will do some justice, but yeah, we'll see how it goes. I don't know how many people are going to be out there at Lake Jackson. I'm hoping not too many. I kind of hope I got the lake to myself, but yeah, I guess we'll see how it goes bright and early. Gambler swim jig. Easy. Oh, I got it. Oh no, I missed him. That was a big fish.
Uh-oh.
But he completely missed it, so.
Oh well, it did.
No. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me?
Well, we'll see how many we can drop off.
Oh, here we go. That's a good one. Oh yeah. Come here. Come here. There you go. That's like a 18 or something.